So we got this far in the last video. So I want to teach you these last two commands now, split and loft. So with split and loft you can make these shapes a little bit more complex still. So we're going to come over to the side here and we're going to draw some more shapes. So let's say we wanted a round speaker but we wanted a flat base on it so the speaker didn't roll across the thing. So we're going to do this, but instead of it rolling around like this, we want to flatten the bottom. So we draw a circle and then we need a flat bit on the bottom. So drawing the circle, I'm going to get a line and I'm going to just click the line. I'm going to hold down shift. Right, so I've created a line with a flat bit over here. Now I need to split. Right in split. Select the object to split. I want to split this object here. Press enter. What do I want to cut it with? The cutting object. That's this one. Enter. Right, that has split. So now I click that. I can delete that. I need to split this one as well. Because I've split this one, I need to split this one. So I do the same command again. Split. Object to split. This one. Enter. Cutting object. This one. Enter. Click. Click. Delete. So now I have a circle with a flat bottom. Now we use this one. Planar surface. PLNAR. Rhino's already worked out this is what I want to do because I did it last time. Enter. Select the curves. Enter. Done. Extrude. Remember this one. Extrude surface. It's already come up. Press enter. Select the surface to extrude. This one. Enter. How far I want it to go. I'm going to click, but I should probably be, let's write a number, 100. Enter. Now I have a speaker that is 100 millimeters long. It's got a flat bottom on it. Very good. Okay, the last one that we're going to need to make sure we remember is loft. So loft is going to allow us to build the very complicated shapes. So if I draw over here, I'm going to draw a curve. Okay, there's my curve shape. I'm going to go Z, A. You guys know ZAE, but if I go ZAS, that's the selected object. So ZAS, all of my views have gone to the selected object. So in the top view, I'm going to copy and paste this a couple of times. So Command C, Command V. I've got two of them here now, see? I'm going to get one of them and I'm going to drag it up here. So I've got two. And I'm going to do it again. Command C, Command V, move. Command C, Command V, move. So what we're doing is we're going to build the frames of a house or the ribs or whatever you want to call it, and then we're going to drape a blanket over the top of it. Alright, so we got this. I'm going to change the shape of these a little bit. So this one here, I'm going to drag this handle around here. So I'm going to come down to this front view. I'm going to drag the handle. And what I don't want to happen is I don't want it to snap. So if it snaps, watch up here. If it snaps, can you see like it's gone to the wrong place? So to get rid of the snaps for a little bit, I just hold down Alt. Right, hold down Alt, the snaps disappear. And then this back one, I'm going to change the shape of this one a little bit. I'm going to get this handle over here and I'm going to drag it. Okay, so I've dragged those so they're slightly different shapes. The command we need is called Loft. All of these tools are hidden under here, but you can remember Loft. LOFT. Select the curves to Loft. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press enter when I'm done. Now you can see here I've draped this blanket over this shape. Possibly Rhino sometimes makes a mistake and your thing looks a little bit like this, which is a disaster. That is because this curve is facing the wrong way. So what it's saying is this curve is facing one way, that one's facing the other way. To fix it, you just click Align Curves. You can see here that one there, it's crossing over. So this one's facing the wrong way. Click it, faces the right way. Done. Enter. Loft. Done. Right, because we're on a loft mission at the moment, we can loft from here to here. LOFT. Enter. Curve, the edge of the surface, and the edge of that surface. Enter. Right, there we go. LOFT again. Did I miss something? 1, 2, enter. Loft. Go around to the other side. Do it again. 1, 2, enter. Oh, that one's got a bit crazy shape. There we go. So I just had to do that align curves thing on that because that one was the wrong way around. So align curves, click, fix. There we go. So I now have a kind of weird looking car shape. The last one that we're going to use is create solid. So at the moment the 3D printer is not going to print this, they're just 4 bits of paper bent into shape. So I'm going to do create solid, which is hidden underneath here. I'm just going to write it, create solid, enter. Click the surfaces, 1, 2, make sure you get all of them, 3, 4, enter. If you look down the bottom of the screen here, created one solid. So that, if I click it now, is a solid thing. So I can do things like take one away from the other, so I can bring this one over here. If I crash this one into it, I can actually cut this one out of this one, all kinds of things. So once you've got a solid, you can use the solid editing tool. Don't know if that worked. Oh, yeah, there you go. So I've cut that shape out of that shape. And you can make all kinds of complex shapes like that. All good. Have a go at that. Copy the video. See how you go. I'll help you out when you get stuck. Good job.